Money with Wings, How to Make Money Online, Tips and Strategies for 2023. Hi there, and welcome to our video on how to make money online. In today's digital age, making money from the comfort of your own home has never been easier. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing some proven tips and strategies to help you make money online in 2023. So, let's get started. 1. Online jobs. The most accessible ways to make money online is by finding online jobs. Rise of remote work. Many businesses are hiring freelancers to work remotely. Find online jobs on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, FlexJobs, and Fauj. Sites offer a wide range of job opportunities, from data entry to social media management. It's creating a profile of your skills and experience and applying for jobs that match your skill set. As a freelancer, it's essential to keep track of your income and expenses. Platforms like PayPal, TransferWise, or Payoneer to receive payments from employers. Income and expenses for tax purposes and create a budget to manage your finances. Passive type of income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. Is to make passive income, such as affiliate marketing, creating digital products, and renting out your property. Start buying your skills and interests and finding ways to monetize them. Excellent way to make passive income. Platforms that offer low-cost investing options. Learning about investing, and set realistic financial goals for yourself. Range of assets to minimize your risk and maximize your returns. Freelancing and free platforms. Free to utilize your skills and make money. Platforms like Fauj, Upwork, and Freelancer. A variety of fields, such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. And apply for jobs that match your skill set. It's important to manage your time and workload effectively. And stick to it. Hello, Asana, or Google Calendar to keep track of your tasks and deadlines. Strategy is helpful. Making money online is easy, but if you're willing to put in the effort and work hard, it's possible. Focused, and never give up on your goals.